Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. In this space, we explore the beautiful world of woodworking and crafting, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting your journey, our channel is dedicated to inspiring and empowering you with a wealth of knowledge, tips, and techniques. Each week, we dive into various projects, showcasing everything from stunning home decor pieces to functional furniture that enhances your living space. Our goal is to not only share our passion for woodworking, but also to build a community where we can learn and grow together. So, if you love working with wood and appreciate the beauty of handmade creations, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're excited to present a special project that blends artistry and functionality. We'll take you step by step through the process of creating a stunning wooden piece that will not only enhance your home decor, but also spark joy and creativity in your everyday life. As we guide you through this project, we'll share valuable insights, tools, and techniques that will empower you to take on your own woodworking challenges with confidence. We encourage you to grab your tools and join us in this creative adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming projects. Let's get started and bring some beautiful wooden creations to life. If you've enjoyed this video and found inspiration in our woodworking project, we would be incredibly grateful for your support. Subscribing to our channel is a fantastic way to stay connected and keep up with all our latest content, as we regularly share new projects, tips, and techniques designed to ignite your creativity and enhance your woodworking skills. If you're already part of our community, thank you for being with us. Your continued support means the world. We encourage you to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Your positive feedback not only motivates us, but also helps others discover our content. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might also enjoy diving into the world of woodworking. Together, we can build a vibrant community of passionate creators who appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of handmade wooden projects. Thank you for being here, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Artisan furniture crafting. Artisan furniture has a rich historical background, originating from ancient civilizations where craftsmanship was a reflection of social status and skill. Today, there is a renewed demand for handmade furniture as consumers seek unique, high-quality pieces that reflect their personal style. Marketing strategies for these products can emphasize storytelling, highlighting the craftsmanship and materials used. By sharing videos of the creation process on social media, businesses can foster an emotional connection with potential buyers, allowing them to appreciate the artistry involved. Custom home decor items. Personalized decor has always held significant value in home design, with roots tracing back to custom items like family crests and monogram pieces. In today's market, custom wooden signs and name plaques resonate with consumers looking for unique home enhancements. Businesses can leverage this trend by offering a variety of customization options, allowing customers to create something truly personal. Marketing campaigns can incorporate nostalgic elements, emphasizing the tradition of personalized gifts and their emotional significance in today's homes. Sustainable wood projects. The modern movement towards sustainability has historical roots in conservation practices. Consumers are increasingly interested in eco-friendly products, and wooden projects made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials are particularly appealing. To market these items effectively, businesses should emphasize transparency about their sourcing practices and the environmental benefits of their products. Creating educational content that explores the importance of sustainability in woodworking can also resonate with eco-conscious consumers, enhancing brand loyalty. Decorative wall art. Wooden wall art has transformed from simple carvings to complex, multi-dimensional pieces that serve as focal points in interiors. These creations can reflect various artistic styles and cultural influences. To market decorative wall art, businesses can collaborate with local artists, showcasing their stories and creative processes. High-quality images of the art in beautifully styled settings can be used in marketing materials to illustrate how these pieces can elevate home decor, appealing to consumers looking for distinctive art. Functional kitchen accessories. The kitchen is considered the heart of the home, and wooden accessories have historical significance as items often passed down through generations. Today, products like wooden utensils and cutting boards are not only practical but also add aesthetic appeal. Marketing strategies for these items should highlight their durability and sustainability compared to plastic alternatives. Sharing recipes or cooking traditions that incorporate these wooden products can further enhance their value, making them attractive to customers. Garden furniture and decor. Historically, gardens have been sanctuaries of beauty and relaxation, and wooden garden furniture enhances these outdoor spaces. With an increasing focus on outdoor living, businesses can market wooden garden furniture by promoting its benefits for relaxation and social gatherings. Organizing local events or workshops centered around gardening and outdoor decor can strengthen community ties while showcasing products, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Children's wooden toys. Wooden toys have a long-standing history, celebrated for their durability and safety. In recent years, there has been a resurgence in demand as parents seek environmentally friendly, educational playthings. Marketing strategies should emphasize the developmental benefits of wooden toys, promoting their role in fostering creativity and fine motor skills in children. Additionally, highlighting the safety of natural materials over plastic can help attract parents who prioritize quality and health in their children's products. Personalized gifts for special occasions. Wooden gifts have been cherished for generations, often becoming family heirlooms. Custom items like engraved photo frames or keepsake boxes hold sentimental value, making them perfect for special occasions. Businesses can capitalize on this by creating targeted marketing campaigns around holidays or significant life events, promoting personalized items as thoughtful gifts. By sharing customer stories about how these gifts have become cherished possessions, brands can enhance their emotional appeal. Home office solutions. The rise of remote work has transformed the home office landscape, elevating the demand for stylish and functional wooden office organizers and furniture. Marketing these products effectively involves sharing workspace inspiration and tips for creating an inviting home office environment. By discussing the evolution of workspaces and how they have adapted over time, businesses can connect their products to current trends, appealing to consumers navigating the new norm of remote work. Unique lighting fixtures. Wooden lighting fixtures seamlessly blend functionality with artistry, enhancing the ambience of any room. Historically, lighting has served as a focal point in home design, and today's consumers value unique, handcrafted designs. Marketing strategies should emphasize the craftsmanship and materials involved in creating each piece, showcasing how these fixtures can transform living spaces. High-quality visuals that portray the warm ambience created by wooden lighting can attract consumers looking for statement pieces. Seasonal decor items. Creating wooden decor for various seasons helps keep product offerings fresh and relevant. Historically, seasonal traditions have centered around specific themes and celebrations, providing a rich backdrop for marketing. By incorporating cultural significance into marketing campaigns, businesses can foster a connection to heritage that resonates with consumers. Limited edition seasonal items can create urgency and exclusivity, encouraging customers to make purchases. Artisan workshops and classes. Hosting woodworking workshops fosters community engagement and promotes brand awareness. Historically, such workshops have been vital for skill sharing and preserving craftsmanship. By advertising hands-on workshops that allow participants to learn skills while using your products, businesses can create memorable experiences. These events not only strengthen community ties, but also encourage word-of-mouth marketing, leading to increased interest in your products. Online marketplaces for artisans. The digital age has revolutionized how artisans sell their products, moving from traditional marketplaces to online platforms. Emphasizing the unique stories behind each product can appeal to consumers seeking authenticity and craftsmanship. Utilizing social proof, such as customer reviews and testimonials, can build trust in the online marketplace, further enhancing sales potential. Collaborations with local artists. Partnering with local artists creates unique offerings and supports community creativity. Historically, collaboration has fostered innovation and cultural exchange in the arts. Marketing these collaborative works through events and online platforms can draw local consumers and strengthen community ties. Highlighting the narratives of the artists involved can resonate with customers, elevating the perceived value of the products. Cultural heritage projects. Creating wooden projects that reflect cultural heritage can attract consumers interested in preserving history. These items often tell stories and celebrate traditions that resonate deeply with buyers. Marketing strategies should focus on the historical context and significance of the designs, fostering an emotional connection with customers. Engaging with local cultural organizations can further promote these products, emphasizing their importance in maintaining cultural identity. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in what we create. Each episode represents a significant investment of effort, thought, and passion from our team, as we work hard to prepare engaging and informative content that inspires your own creative journey. Your support is vital to us, and it fuels our commitment to bringing you even more exciting projects and ideas in the future. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, we kindly ask you to show your support by subscribing to our channel. This not only helps us grow our community, but also ensures that you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Additionally, if you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback encourages us to keep producing high-quality videos. Together, we can continue to explore the wonderful world of woodworking and craft a vibrant space for creativity. Thank you once again for your support, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.